Well, hi guys and gals, it's me, George, the Shade Tree Fix-It Man. And you can see I have my two wall sections up. One side has the siding on it, and I ran out of materials for the other side. So I'm going to have to get me another load of rough hewn wood, rough sawn wood from the sawmill. But that's what we're going to be going for. We got a 5-foot opening there in the doorway, and I brought my table saw back inside, although this is not the one that's going to stay in here, but it's going to stay in here until I get the roof sealed up, because the roof still leaks. I was going to do the roof today, but it's not quite warm enough. It's only in the 40s, and so yeah. And I brought my miter saw, and I've been actually using it. The miter saws, however, are going to get set up over on that wall over there. This bench that has been here since quite a while ago, a year ago or more. That's going to come off of there. And I'll have my two miter saws set up over there. And I'm thinking I may actually set up my chop saw, my metal cutting miter saw, over in the compressor room. We'll see. I have hay in there right now, so it wouldn't be good in there either. But I'm not thrilled with the idea of having it out here with sawdust and stuff, but we'll see. That's another project for another day. So as you can see, looking at the wall, now that shelf above there is put up level. You can see that the sign is crooked compared to the shelf, and then this bench down here is matched up with the sign on the wall. Well, I had put it up so it was parallel to the floor in here, and that's how much the floor is out of level. So that'll get moved around, and the sign will get squared back up again, and possibly the sign will come over onto this wall anyway. So yeah, we're getting there, and a little more materials. I temporarily have that piece of plywood there, just a bent nail holding it in place, and I'm going to drag one of these sheets of plywood back up here and put it across the opening. That way it'll keep my roosters out of here. It didn't take long for them to come down and check it out this morning when I moved the plywood, because I had plywood all the way across the opening. There was no siding on it yesterday. I had got this wall over here I had got framed up, but I hadn't started siding it, and I hadn't framed that wall yet. So I did that wall and finished that one off so I could tie it together with the main building as much as possible. We need enough lumber now not only to finish that wall, but to finish out our trim across the top, and of course to trim the doors out when we get them installed, and then to do the siding on the back wall. Whatever we decide to put there, we shall, that remains to be seen at the moment. But yep, that's where we're at today. I guess by now, look at my watch, yeah, it's almost 1 o'clock. I guess by now we have a new president of these states, for better or for worse. It's all in God's hands. Hope you all are having a great day. It is a pleasant day here. Great day for working. It's about 40 degrees, I think. But a little too chilly. Yeah, it's a little over 40. But it's a little bit too chilly to be doing a seal coating on the roof. So, no more babbling. Until next time, this is George saying thanks for subscribing, sharing, thumbs up, commenting, all of them good things. I appreciate you all. Bye for now.